Okay, now we are working with the animation for the jump functionality. So um, we have been importing clips of animation by the same way. Now we're gonna use another method. Um, let's see the folder animations. So uh, let's imagine that our animator give us just one clip of animation that contains all the animations. Like this is Murder All in One. So we're gonna take this one, Murder All in One, and we're gonna import to our project, to our folder Play Animations. So we have it here. And then here in the folder, let's find the zombie murderer animation list. Uh, this has a lecture of all the frames that contains a specific animation. So in this case, we have this one here, this jump, that is this is the length. So let's make the clip. So let's take this murder all in one, and let's make the new murder murderer jumping. Okay, so for the length, let's see, the last frame is 464, so we put it here. 64, it was this one, I don't know, no, 464, sorry. Is 464, and it starts in the 405. Okay, 405. We can see the preview right here. Okay, that's our jump. Perfect. So let's put apply, and we can see that here we have um, our new clip, the murderer jumping. But I just made this whole exercise about 2 or 3 times, and I know that we're gonna need to edit this animation clip. You will see why later in this lesson. So we need to make a duplicate of this clip. So you got to take in mind to get in mind that when you need to edit one clip, you cannot edit it in this stage. You need to make a duplicate, Control D, so it appears here. This is the one where we're going to put on the animator window. Now uh, let's go to our animator. Here we have this, and here we're gonna drag our murder jumping clip like this. So we haven't seen the transitions. I'm going to explain the transition right now. When we have um, two animations, we need transitions between this one from here to here, and from here to here. So let's make it. Let's give a right click. So make transitions to murder jumping, and once again here right click and make transition to blend tree. Okay, so we have these two transitions, and then we're gonna make a parameter so we can trigger his actions in scripting. So let's make a new parameter. This right now is going to be a trigger one, and we're gonna call it is jumping. So we have the trigger, and then we need to assign it to the transition that goes from blend tree to murder jumping. here in conditions. So we're gonna say, we're gonna give a new condition, and it's gonna be is jumping. Okay, so this is a representation of our transition, how it is working. If we expand settings, we can play with all these settings, and we will be reflected on this part of the representation. So um, I I just I got the setup that is needed because I just made the exercise. But you can try an error. So let's see how this works. Uh, when you have has exit time, it means that you don't need the animation to be completed to trigger to the other animation. If we don't have has exit time, uh, we're gonna have a visual issue because um, we need to, if we don't have has exit time, the animation needs to be completed to pass to the other animation. So that's going to be an issue. So that's why in this case we're not gonna have the has exit time on this to blend tree to model jumping. And beside, we're gonna give some parameters here that transition duration. I'm gonna give 0.173 8461. You can see how it's moving right here. So in the transition offset, we're gonna give 0.0570428. Okay, so these parameters I already have tested, and it works very fine for me. And then to the other transition, let's select it, and this one is needs to have has exit time, and we're gonna say, okay, in exit time, let's give it 0 oops, 464 146 146. Okay, for exit time. And transition duration is gonna be kind of short at 176.93. Okay, and transition offset, let's give 0.090474533. Okay, that's it. So let's go to our character movement script, and we need to make a new variable. Oh no, no, we don't need a new variable. So we need to go to the void update function, and we need to say right here, okay, when this happens, then animator dot set trigger to launch or trigger our animation, and we need to name the parameter is jumping. Okay, let's save the script. And now I want to see in both views uh, my pre-visualization of the game, and beside I want to see my animator running. So uh, I'm going to choose window layout 2 by 3. So in this view, I'm going to say window animation animator. So I have the two views right now, and let's see how it's working here, our jumping. Okay, so jump, yes, that's what I need. Yes, Okay, so I hope you are working uh, with this the same as I. Okay, so there's one issue that we need to see. So I'm gonna stop the game, and here I want to see the scene. Okay, so if you can see the jumping, uh, this collider, this capsule collider, is the one who's making the jump. But beside of this, the animation the animation uh, has jump too. Okay, so let's see how this is working right now. If I jump, you can see how the animation jumps um, in other place. Yes, and our capsule collider stays right here because the animation um, contains the transform in the y-axis too. So we need to edit this animation so the animation does not move anymore. Yeah. So okay, I'm gonna stop the game, and okay, let's go to the animation folder, play animations. Let's select our clip. Let's see if this is all right. Okay, let's select this clip and let's open window, animation tab. So here we can see the keyframes that have all our all the rig that contains our character. Okay, so let's first pre-visualize or visualize our corpse or animation corpse. So click on corpse, and these one are the animation curves. So let's expand this character hips positions so we can see position X, Y, and Z. And let's take this one on Y position. And the one thing we need to do, this is the jumping that we need to set on this. Um, every key we need to put it down so we can fix the issue. Okay, so you can grab this one and move down just a bit, this one too, just one bit. You can check the other curves where making the jumping. So let's do this for all the keyframes until we reach again. Okay, let's see. It's going down, it's going down. Okay, so I I guess this one a little bit more. Oops. Oh, grabbing this, grabbing this one. Okay. Okay, let's preview the jumping once again. Okay, play, select our player to see. So, okay, jump. Yes. So now the collider follows the jumping, yeah, and that's what we need to do. Okay, so I'm gonna close this window, and that's it for this lesson. In the next lesson we're gonna work with the programming of the attacking. of our prayers. So I see you in the next lesson. Bye.